Hello everybody. Welcome back to another video of Cage Bird Lost Mystery Story. So like if I'm coughing, sorry for that, okay? So let's get started. Let's continue. Let's get reading again. I heard you screaming. What's happened? Where's your sister? You stare blankly at your mother as you try to comprehend what's happened. With a sneaking feeling in your stomach, you whisper the only answer you have. I don't know where she is. Don't know. Do you want to save your progress? Not your progress may be lost. Wait, what? Yeah. What's happening? Looking up at your mother, you see the worry written all over her face. What do you mean you don't know where your sister is? Oh no. What am I going to tell Mom? Thinking quickly, you tell your mom the first thing that comes to mind. What answer will you give to your mother? How do you answer your mother? I know where Coral is. Coral will be home shortly. She could be anywhere. To tell the truth, she could be anywhere. I hope she comes home soon. Your mother puts her hands on her hips and glares at you. What do you mean by that? She was supposed to be home hours ago. I meant maybe she fell asleep over at her friend's house. Well, whatever happened, she gets home soon, or she won't be going out again anytime soon. Your mother angrily stomps off down the hallway back to her room. That was a close one. I don't want to worry my parents before I have more information. You nervously look at the text message from Coral again. Not an accident. What could she mean by that? You realize you are getting a headache, so you head into the bathroom to find some Tylenol. I don't understand what's that. Tylenol, something like that. Tylenol, yeah. Where are you, little sister? This is no way to start the day, that's for sure. Even though you don't have class today, you do have a job to go to later this evening. And work is no fun with a headache, a headache. Good. Work is no fun with a headache, so I would better hand this one off now. Looking in the bathroom mirror, you notice dark What circles under your eyes? It's going to take a little extra makeup today to hide those circles. When you open the medicine cabinet, you notice that your sister's something like that. I don't know how to read this word. Is it medicine? It's still in the cabinet. I'm gonna say medicine. Yeah, your sister's medicine is still in the cabinet. She never goes anywhere without this medicine, especially if he plans to spend the night with someone. Was that what Coral meant by "if I am not home by dawn"? Maybe she wanted me to bring her medicine. Taking Coral's medicine from the night, you head back to your bedroom to get dressed. While you are getting dressed, you hear your phone make that familiar ding again. Opening your phone, you see that you have a text message from "Are you up yet?" "Yes, I'm up." "How about going to the Waffle House for breakfast this morning? Be ready in 15 minutes. Checking your face in the mirror, you sit down at your convenient table to put on some makeup. I wonder if Jewel saw Coral last night. Maybe he knows where she might be. As you put the final touches to your makeup, you check your reflection one last time and then head outside. Jewel is waiting for you on your front steps. Jewel: "Geez, you were fast." "Well, I was already up this morning, so it only took a few minutes to get myself together." Jewel looks at the sweet shirt you are wearing before he gives you a thumbs up. "I always love it when a girl supports her favorite college team." You smile broadly as you realize Jewel is paying you a compliment. "Maybe I should wear this shirt more often." "Oh, this old thing? I have had it forever." "Well, it gets my seal of approval." You notice that Jewel winks at you as he heads toward his car. "You coming?" "Of course, I'm starving." "Starving?" No, she said starving. What's happening? I'm clicking. Okay. As you drive into the city, you ask him about Coral. "Jewel, did you happen to see Coral last night?" Jewel works at the movie theater in the mall, so you were hoping he had seen her. Jewel gives you a questioning look. "Last night, I actually did see her." Excited now, you turn in your seat to look at Jewel while he drives. "Did she stay long? Did you see who she was with? Did you see her leave?" Jewel laughs out loud as he pulls into the restaurant's parking lot. After he shoots the engine off, Jewel turns in his seat to look at you too. What's with all the questions? You act like she didn't come home last night. When you don't laugh with him, Jules' laughter dies and his look becomes very serious. Coral did come home last night, didn't she? You avoid Jules' gaze as you shake your head no. Just then, Jewel takes your hand in his. Look at me. As you lift your head to look into Jewel's eyes, you can see that sinker worry written on his face. When was the last time you heard from her? From Coral. Pulling your phone from your purse, you open it and show Jewel the text message you received from Coral. Jewel sits quietly for a moment before he hands the phone back to you. Come on, I always do my best thinking when I have got a full stomach. Following Jewel into the restaurant, you can't keep your mind from racking. What if she hurt? What if she's hurt? What if she's been in an accident? What if your thoughts race on and on as you and Jewel sit down in a booth you order a waffle and sip on a glass of cold orange juice. Okay, so we have got a few facts to think about. You notice that Jewel has produced a piece of paper and pen from somewhere and begins writing down. Did he get that from the waiters? I must have been lost in my thoughts. First, Coral did go to the movies last night, and she was with her friend Vicky. Is that who you saw her with? Yes, it was Vicky, I'm sure. At last, that much of her story was true. Okay, and we know she left the house on her scooter, so she didn't travel with anyone else. That's right, she left the house on her scooter and said she was going to meet her friends at the mall to see a movie. And I saw her leave the mall after the movie was over, which was around 8 o'clock. I wonder. You sit up a little straw, I don't know what that is, and lean over the table. You wonder what? Well, I was going to say, I wonder if Becky was the only person she met at the mall. Just then your breakfast arrives and you and Jewel take a few minutes to prepare your waffles with butter and syrup. I do love a good waffle. After eating a few bits, Jewel continues with his thoughts. Okay guys, I'm gonna save it here and we're gonna end it here. So I hope you enjoyed this video, guys, and if you did, leave a like and subscribe please, and comment, of course. I want to see what you want to tell me. And yeah, see you guys in the next episode of Cage Birds. Bye guys. Bye.